Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 9th to the 13th of September 2024 on Monday. Hlumelo receives an ominous message. Nodle tried to defend her man despite her doubts about him on Tuesday. Nozuko's baby shower turns into her worst nightmare when she and her baby's lives are in danger. Lulama boldly moved towards becoming a better person on Wednesday. Hlumelo's bad decisions catch up with him. Nozuko goes into labor. Nonhle misses Sonwabile on Thursday. Nozuko's life is at risk. Hlumelo will stop at nothing to get his woman back. Lulama continues to have everyone fooled on Friday. Sonwabile solidified his relationship with Nonhle, but only some are pleased. Lulama lives her best life and it does not work on her supposed addiction. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello, everyone. Welcome.